This AI art account made over $27,635 just last month. And this AI image story account made more than $20,000 in just 1 month using AI. And I'm going to show you how you can do the same and start a faceless Instagram theme page using only AI. Step 1. Start an Instagram account. You should start an account about a topic you like a lot, because you're going to be spending a lot of time making content around the topic. If you pick a topic you hate, you'll burn out quickly and just want to quit, or even worse, it'll drive you crazy. You can make content surrounding one of the big 5: health, wealth, fashion, beauty, or traveling. Step 2. Making posts. But first we need to know how the Instagram algorithm actually works, because it doesn't work the same anymore. Simply don't make short videos. This might seem extreme, but let me explain. A secret I learned while growing my own Instagram theme page is that longer videos tend to go viral more, because just like YouTube, Instagram only cares about how long a user stays on the app. The longer a user watches a video, the more ads they can show and the more money Instagram makes. So videos that keep users glued to their phones will get pushed out more than videos that don't. Likes are not weighted as heavily in the algorithm as watch time, shares, or saves, and I have proof. My videos that blew up are all 10 seconds or longer, and about 50% of it was watched all the way through to the end. And where my videos lacked in watch time, they made up for in shares and saves. This video was 10 seconds long, but 7 seconds of it was watched on average. That means it has a 70% watch time. The saves and shares are pretty low, but the watch time is really good. This video has a 67% watch time, and even more saves. Even though the watch time is lower on this video, the saves are higher, so it got more views. This video had the most views, but the lowest watch time. Can you guess what made it go even more viral than the others? It had the most saves. You can clearly see the amount of saves has a direct effect on how viral a reel goes. I'm showing you this so you can create your posts with the knowledge I wish I had when I started my page. Which leads us to step 4, viral posts. First, we're going to create some simple posts using Canva. Let's say that your page is about motivation. We can come into Canva and create a post like this. The first problem is getting people to stop scrolling and to actually look at your post. So make the first slide really bold. The first slide should pop and make people curious about what the next slide will say. An easy way to make people want to look at your next slide is to cause an emotional reaction, say something they don't agree with, or just to make them really curious. Let me show you. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us 10 motivational quotes about failure. I picked failure because for most people, failure is not a good thing, so they will be curious to why I think it is a good thing. They will also feel compelled to see what the next page is because it challenges their current belief, and I'm basically telling them that they're wrong. See what I did there? If your page was about food, we could be more specific and ask ChatGPT to give me 10 quotes about failure relating to cooking. After you get your desired outcome, you can just copy and paste it onto your Canva slides and make it more branded. You can use a bunch of cool graphics and colors. Step 4, creating viral reels. Since Instagram has started trying to compete with TikTok, they have continued to push reels more. This leaves a huge space for new creators to take advantage of easy growth and exposure. Some of these reels are going absolutely crazy. This one has over 2.3 million views, and they only have 55 posts on their account, which started 4 months ago. But they already gained 111,000 followers. This isn't even the only account. There are lots of accounts experiencing growth like this on Instagram right now. This account has only 42 posts but gained 1.1 million followers on Instagram and started 90 days ago. So I'll show you how to create some simple viral reels like these. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask it for some simple motivational quotes and look for the one that catches your attention the most. Once you find the one you like a lot, we can create a voiceover. To get a realistic text-to-speech AI voice, come to 11 Labs. You can generate your own voice or even clone voices. And you can change the stability and pitch just to get the voice to sound exactly how you want it to. Here's how mine sound.
The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it.
Next, we need visuals, so people don't get bored and swipe. We're going to add a nice background that is related to the quote. For this, we're going to use Leonardo AI, a free AI photo generator. We're going to ask it for an ancient Greek philosopher on famine land, planting crops, and having a feast. Once we get the images, we can download it and upload it to CapCut for free. Add the images and match them to the audio, then create auto captions. I chose those 3 pictures because it shows the progression of them planting crops on a famine land and then having to work really hard and then it paying off by them having a feast in the end. Step 5, posting. I usually post 2 times a day on my theme page because that's what works for me. But ideally, you want to post 3 times a day. At minimum, once a day. You want to post this often so your audience doesn't forget about you or think you're inactive. But on the other hand, you don't want to overwhelm your audience with too much posts. But the biggest rule of all, focus on quality instead of quantity. Once I found what was working for me, I doubled down on it and it gave me consistent likes. Monetization. Now it's time to monetize your account. Everything we've done in the stages before means nothing if we don't monetize it. There are several ways to monetize an Instagram account. For example, you can sell shoutouts. This works well for a fashion page like mine because you can post other people's outfits as a shoutout and it won't make your followers dislike you because that's your normal content. If you have a page about fitness, you can start dropshipping and sell a fitness product with a link in your bio. Or if you have a finance or motivational page, you can sell a digital product like a course where you teach people how to grow an account like yours. For this video, I will not go into depth on those methods, but there is one final method I will go in depth on. Advertisements. Companies pay a lot of money to target specific people who might be interested in their products. With an Instagram theme page, your audience is scarily specific. So companies will gladly pay thousands to advertise to your audience. Let's say your account is about sports. Your account could make money by advertising for sports betting companies like DraftKings. The only problem is these companies don't even know who you are. So you're gonna have to reach out to them. To reach out to them directly and set up a deal that can make you money, go to LinkedIn and look for a company you want. Then search for social media under people. Then go ahead and add them. Send a message that is similar to this. Hey Kate, I'm the owner of Sports Squad, an Instagram account focused on everything sports related. We have built a fantastic community of over 100,000 passionate followers who are deeply interested in all aspects of sports. As we are filling in our ad slots for the month of June, I wanted to reach out and see if DraftKings would be interested in tapping into our exposure. Our platform can offer excellent visibility to your sports-related products or services. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks. This message is quick and gets our point across in a friendly and professional way. It's also a great idea to attach a picture of your insights. Then when the person responds, you can then start negotiating the price. I've heard people get around $5,000 for just one post. If you want to see step-by-step how I created a viral talking AI generated video for my Instagram theme page, click here.